Hi everyone, this is very delicious and easy with less ingredients. We can do this recipe. It's very tasty. Try once again. Take 1 cup of sabudana, soak it 2 hours with 2 cups of water. Sabudana absorbed the water. After little bit water is there, grind finely. Then take 1.5 cup of jaggery. I used this cup for sabudana 1 cup and jaggery 1.5 cup. I already prepared the cardamom 2 or 3 I crushed for this quantity of recipe. Take 1 full spoon of ghee, either cow ghee or buffalo ghee, and 1/4 cup of almond and cashew. Fry them well. No need raisins for this recipe. Once fried, take into a bowl, then add ground sabudana. Do not add more water. Take with hand entire batter, then leave it the jar. Do not add water and add 1 more spoon of ghee. It will absorb 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee is enough for this sweet. Stir continuously. Use better use the non-stick tawa. If you are using metal tawa, it will sticky. You can use non-stick with a spatula. Stir continuously. It will take 10 to 12 minutes. Entire recipe. This is very easy recipe and very tasty recipe, and it will cool the body. This recipe with less ingredients. We used only sabudana, ghee and jaggery only, and few dry nuts. Stir continuously. You can observe the change of color. When it turns to smooth, then add jaggery. Stir continuously again. Jaggery melts with heat. Then it will change the color. Once melted the jaggery, entire recipe will change to dark jaggery color. Now add 1 more spoon of ghee, then stir well. It will not sticky after 2 to 3 minutes. Stir it. Once finally cooked, then add cardamom powder and dry nuts, already fried dry nuts. Observe the pan, it will not sticky. Entire recipe is together at one bowl, like one bowl. You can cut this recipe as a barfi, or you can serve as a halwa. You can use it for prasadam, this recipe. So when this stage, you can stove off, then leave it a few minutes. It will cool down, then you can cut it in this stage. It will take barfi like. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please like and